Welcome to Stories for Kids, Little Lessons. Today's story is called The Two Seeds. In a quiet garden, two tiny seeds lay in the soft soil. Both seeds had the same chance to grow. Warm sunlight and gentle rain began to nourish the soil. The first seed decided to grow bravely toward the light. But the second seed felt afraid. What if something eats me? What if the wind breaks me? The first seed kept growing little by little. Its roots spread deeper into the earth. The sunlight made its leaves strong and green. Meanwhile, the second seed stayed hidden, waiting for perfect safety. One day, a bird came searching for food. The bird quickly found the seed that had never grown. The first seed continued to grow into a strong plant. Soon, it blossomed with bright flowers. Bees and butterflies came to visit. New seeds began to grow around the garden. The garden slowly became full of life. Every choice we make is like planting a seed. Our actions today grow into our future. Fear can stop growth, but courage helps life blossom. The Bhagavad Gita teaches that right actions bring positive results. Every good action becomes a seed of a better future. This is the lesson of wise choices from the Bhagavad Gita. Thank you for watching Stories for Kids, Little Lessons.